When the Russia-Ukraine war erupted, the world expected tanks, missiles, and artillery to dominate the battlefield. Instead, something unexpected took the spotlight: drones. From cheap commercial quadcopters to long-range strike UAVs, Ukraine has shown the world that future wars will be fought in the sky, not by fighter jets, but by small, intelligent, expendable machines. The war has become a real-time laboratory, proving that drone warfare is no longer the future, it is the present, and every major military is watching closely. Introduction: The drone revolution begins. No modern conflict has demonstrated the tactical and strategic value of drones as clearly as the Russia-Ukraine war. While drones have been used in past conflicts, Ukraine has taken drone warfare to an entirely new level, combining innovation, improvisation, low-cost manufacturing, and real-time battlefield coordination. From dropping grenades on trenches to using AI-assisted targeting systems, Ukraine's drone tactics have rewritten the rules of modern war. This article explores how Ukraine uses drones, how these tactics influence global military doctrines, and what lessons world powers are learning from this conflict. 1. Cheap drones, big impact. The power of low-cost warfare. Ukraine's most surprising innovation is the effective use of inexpensive commercial drones, such as DJI quadcopters. Costing a few $100s, these drones are used to track enemy movements, target artillery strikes, drop small explosives, conduct real-time reconnaissance, hunt Russian tanks from above. What makes this revolutionary? Traditional military logic favored expensive, sophisticated drones like the Predator or Bayraktar TB2. But Ukraine proved that a $300 drone can destroy a $3 million tank or pin down an entire assault unit. Global lesson number 1. In the future, quantity can be more important than quality. Armies around the world are now stocking thousands of cheap drones because you don't need a perfect drone, you need a swarm. 2. FPV kamikaze drones, precision on a budget. Ukraine's most deadly tactic involves FPV, or first-person view kamikaze drones, flown by pilots using VR-like goggles for precise control. These drones can chase moving vehicles, dive into tank hatches, destroy armored positions, neutralize sniper nests. Costing only $400 to $800, FPV drones have become mini cruise missiles. Ukraine now builds over 50,000 FPV drones per month, making them the backbone of frontline assaults. Global lesson number 2. Suicide drones will replace many traditional anti-tank weapons because they are cheaper, faster, and more flexible. 3. Strategic strikes with long-range UAVs. Ukraine also uses long-range drones for deep strikes inside Russian territory. These drones can hit oil refineries, damage air bases, target command centers, destroy radar stations. Some Ukrainian drones have ranges up to 700 to 1,000 kilometers, allowing them to reach strategic territories. By striking deep into Russia, Ukraine showed that drones can perform missions once reserved for cruise missiles, stealth aircraft, special forces. Global lesson number 3. Long-range drones make distance irrelevant. Countries must rethink air defense strategies because drones can bypass traditional radar due to their small size and low-altitude flight. 4. Drone swarms, overwhelming the enemy. Ukraine pioneered using drone swarms, multiple drones attacking simultaneously. A swarm is difficult to counter because air defenses cannot shoot everything. Jamming only works against some drones. Redundancy ensures at least a few drones reach the target. Swarm attacks are used for both offense and defense. Global lesson number 4. Swarm warfare will dominate future battlefields, forcing militaries to develop anti-swarm defenses, directed energy weapons, and better electronic warfare tools.
6. Drone logistics. Resupply from the sky. Drones are not only used for attack. Ukraine also uses them to deliver ammunition, drop medical kits, extract intelligence, carry communication gear. In hostile zones, where vehicles and helicopters are too risky, drones serve as flying supply carriers. Global lesson number 6. Drones will become standard logistics tools for frontline supply chains. 7. The electronic warfare battle. Russia has strong electronic warfare systems, forcing Ukraine to adapt. Ukraine responded by upgrading drones with anti-jamming modules, using frequency-hopping communications, pre-programming drones to continue missions even if jammed. This EW drone duel pushed global militaries to realize something important. Global lesson number 7. Electronic warfare can decide the outcome of drone battles. Countries must develop stronger EW defenses while protecting their own drones from jamming. 8. Civilian innovation meets military need. A major advantage for Ukraine is civilian participation. Volunteers, tech startups, racing drone engineers, and hobbyists all contribute to drone production. This model is fast, flexible, and cost-effective. Unlike traditional military procurement, civilian manufacturing allows rapid innovation, faster prototyping, mass production, and adaptation within days. Global lesson number 8. Future militaries must integrate civilian tech sectors instead of relying entirely on slow government systems. 9. Drones versus traditional military doctrine. The war has exposed weaknesses in old military strategies. Armored columns are vulnerable. Fixed defensive lines are easily spotted. Infantry positions can't hide. Artillery must relocate constantly. Large ships and aircraft bases are soft targets. Drone warfare has made the battlefield more transparent than ever before. Global lesson number 9. Stealth, mobility, and dispersion will define future war tactics. 10. Toward a new era of asymmetric warfare. Ukraine's drone successes show that a smaller military can challenge a larger one using innovation, agility, low-cost weapons, and decentralized drone networks. This rewrites the global understanding of power. Global lesson number 10. Technology, not size, determines battlefield strength. Conclusion. The future of warfare is already here. Ukraine has demonstrated that drones are not auxiliary tools, they are central players in modern combat. From cheap civilian drones to advanced AI-powered UAVs, Ukraine has created a blueprint that will shape global military strategies for decades. Every major power, the US, China, Russia, India, and Europe, is now redesigning doctrines, investing in drone swarms, and preparing for AI-driven battlefield environments. The message is clear: the country that masters drones will control the battlefield of the future.